Today, our topic is make or buy decision in supply chain management. Make it yourself or buy it from someone. Let's break down the make or buy decision in 60 seconds. Make means producing in house using your own team, tools, and time. Buy means outsourcing. You pay a vendor to deliver what you need. Make if it's your core competency, you need control over quality, or you are protecting a trade secret. Choose buy if it is cheaper or faster, you don't have in-house capacity, or you need more flexibility. And compare total cost, time, risk, and strategic value. A simple matrix or cost benefit chart can save you big. Think smart, make what matters, and buy what does not. Follow for more business tips fast.